In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blur glass effect in Canva. This is a simple but really stylish effect you can use for social media posts, banners, thumbnails, and more. We'll walk through it slowly so you can follow along, even if you're new to Canva. First, open Canva and create a new design in the size you need. This could be a social media post, a YouTube thumbnail, or any custom size you prefer. Once your blank canvas is ready, look for the Uploads option on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Upload. Here, you'll choose the image you want to use as your background or main visual. Select an image from your computer that fits the style of your project, then wait for it to finish uploading. When it appears in your Uploads panel, click on the image to add it to your canvas. You can drag the corners to make it fill the entire design area, or position it wherever you'd like your blur glass effect to appear. Next, we're going to duplicate this image so we can blur one copy and keep the other sharp. Click on the image on your canvas to select it. Then use the duplicate option, usually shown as two overlapping squares, or simply copy and paste it. Now you should have two identical images in your design. Arrange the duplicate image so it sits exactly on top of the original, or place it in the area where you want the blur glass effect to appear. With the top image selected, click on Edit in the toolbar above the canvas. This will open the image editing options. Now, go to the Effects section. Here, you'll see different styling options. Look for the blur controls. Depending on your version of Canva, this might be under Adjust or a dedicated blur option. Increase the blur amount until the top image looks soft and out of focus, like frosted or fogged glass. Once the blur looks right, you can resize the blurred image. Click and drag the corners to turn it into a panel, a strip, or a smaller box of blur over your main image. This creates that modern blur glass look, where part of the background is soft and hazy while the rest stays sharp. You can now place text, icons, or buttons on top of this blurred area so they stand out clearly, while the background still shows through in a stylish way. And that's how you create a blur glass effect in Canva.